So today we have some exciting news that has the OnePlus fans buzzing. Leaks of the OnePlus 13 have just been revealed and it's all about the new upgrades that we have been anticipating. OnePlus is taking a leap forward in mobile photography, so let's break down what these upgrades mean for you and why this could be a great decision taken by OnePlus. Weibo leaker DCS says that the OnePlus 13 could take its ultra-wide and periscope lens up a notch with a new Sony sensors. The source says that both lenses on the OnePlus 13 could have Sony IMX882 sensor, which provides a strong 50 megapixel resolution. This means the phone's additional lenses might get a nice upgrade. The leak suggests that the periscope lens could still offer 3x optical zoom. As for the main camera, OnePlus is sticking with the Sony IMX808 lens, so no changes there. Like the OnePlus 12, it's expected that the new OnePlus 13 will also have a 50 megapixel primary shooter. Alongside the new cameras, the next version of the Oxygen OS is expected to include the generative AI features. Yes, OnePlus is likely to collaborate with Google to integrate the Gemini Nano AI model on device, introducing smart AI functionalities. Cloud-based Gen AI features like advanced image and video editing as well as access to Gemini Ultra AI model are also anticipated. And for those who don't know, in my last video I mentioned a possible upgrade for the OnePlus 13, a whopping 6000 mAh battery, a big upgrade from the 5400 mAh battery in the OnePlus 12. If this turns out to be true, we would be looking at some seriously impressive battery life, maybe even lasting over 2 days on a single charge. Combine that with the efficiency boost for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip and we might just have a new battery life king in our hand. So the catch with these all new upgrades is, according to the same leak, the phone might not have wireless charging. This could start a debate considering OnePlus just brought back wireless charging with the OnePlus 12 after leaving it off the OnePlus 11. The reason for possibly getting rid of wireless charging is not clear, but it might have to do with fitting in a bigger battery. Losing wireless charging might not be ideal for some, but it could be a worthwhile trade-off for others. The OnePlus 13 is rumored to come with a 6000 mAh battery and a 100-watt wired charging, which means you can still enjoy a fast and convenient charging experience without the need of wireless charging. Ultimately, the significance of wireless charging depends on person to person. Some may prefer the long battery life over the convenience of wireless charging. Just a reminder that these are just early rumors about the OnePlus 13. The final specifications may change. We will have to wait for the OnePlus to confirm, but if these leaks are true, the OnePlus 13 could be quite the talk of the town. So what do you think of this new OnePlus 13? Let me know in the comment section. With that being said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.